Hey guys! Welcome back to the vlog. This is Ina and as you can see, nagkukulot ako. Kasi bakit? It's episode 18 of my reaction video for Chasing in the Wild. Grabe guys. Parang nung nakaraan lang nagsastart tayo for the trailer, kung sino yung casts, and finally, nasa second to the last na tayo. Medyo nakakasad kasi ayun nga, last two na to and alam naman natin yung mga mangyayari. And it's finally happening and ayoko nang masyadong madaming sinasabi. Let's start in 3, 2, 1.
We only source from trusted suppliers.
Recent batch delivery didn't pass our quality safety standards. Manufacturing defect daw. That is why Engineer Camero and I decided to order from a different supplier.
Pero hindi naman yun.
Mga lumang materyales pa rin yung mga nagamit sa construction this past few days.
What? Eh, paano nakalusot to?
Baka pwede magsalita yung head engineer natin dito.
Nakakainis talaga yung itsura nito ni Austin.
Sorry, Miss Ledesma. This is my team and I take full responsibility on it.
Yan ang lalaki, Austin yan.
No, pero dahil kapos na po sa oras,
Okay.
sinagregate na lang namin ang mga ito.
Hay, medyo naawa ako dito kay Bianca, looking back dun sa libro. Pero,
But how did the workers access them and use that for construction?
Hindi ko rin po maintindihan, Miss Ledesma.
kasi nga may kinalaman si Austin dito.
Nagpunta ako bago sinimulan. Nag-consult kayo kay engineer namin.
Wala po ko alam, engineer.
Bakit wala?
Hindi nga po ako sinabihan ni Engineer Ramos eh.
Yun na nga eh. Bakit wala kang alam sa site? Eh, ang rami nito, di ba? Di wala man nag-abalang tumawag sa akin.
Akala ko po kasi okay na bilang galing kay Engineer Ramos mismo.
Ito yung nasa book. Kung paano sila magtalo.
Sino nagpadala?
Medyo intense dapat to, pero parang nakukulangan ako.
Ikaw daw po. Ako? Wala akong pinadala or hinire na bagong workers. Saan galing yung info na yan?
Okay, gusto niyang paalisin si...
It is stated in the contract na ito tayo mag-alis.
Kung kailan may problema, saan mo papaalisin?
Misconduct.
Utak, Austin, utak. Okay, dinadamay niya yung personal life.
Ano? Naniniwala pa kayo sa taong to? Ha? Ikaw, sinasadya mo bang sirain tong kumpanya na to na bigay sa'yo ng tatay mo because you hate him?
I'm expecting your resignation letter ASAP, Mr. Guerrero.
Burn.
I want you to leave.
Imbis na si Sevi yung matanggal, ikaw yung natanggal. Aw, Sevi.
Sorry na bahama ko na naman dahil sa akin. Dami ko ng kasalanan sa'yo. Una sa mama mo, tapos ngayon, ito.
Di mo kasalanan.
Don't worry about it. Fine. None of it was your fault.
Kung hindi ko kasalanan lahat, pero may kasalanan pa rin ako, Elise. Naging pabaya ako sa mga nangyari sa Batangas.
I love how mature Elise.
Do you understand?
I love the version of Elise right now. Yung hindi niya sinisisi si Sevi, gusto niyang malaman yung other side of the story.
Sevi.
Unlike before na clinose niya talaga yung utak niya sa lahat ng sasabihin ng mga tao. Kasi nga, hindi niya kayang i-handle
Because to
that
me,
time.
you were the best fucking engineer out there. So, for now, we should just let the investigation take its course.
Kasi for sure, wala naman talagang kasalanan si Sevi.
Lalo naman ikaw.
Sa mga gantong bagay, hindi na, parang
Kakayanin ko to.
nagiging at fault
This whole
lang
thing
yung
won't
head
fucking
kasi
break me.
hindi niya nakita yon or
And
na-oversee
that's what
niya
happened with
yung
my
mga
mom.
nangyayari na ganyan. Pero usually,
It was a tragedy. And we were all victims of it. But we can't go over it again because it will just hurt me even more.
Bakit hindi ka na lang magalit sa akin? O kaya iwan mo na lang ako.
Because I love you. I mean, aren't you also mad at me? Especially after everything that happened with your mom. But you're still here, aren't you? Why?
Kasi mahal din kita.
love conquers all.
forgive the people that we love, no matter how painful it is, unless they are monsters. Mom, I loved her so much. And I know that she loved you too. My mom had such a pure heart. And I know she wouldn't want you to put the blame on yourself.
So true.
So Stephanie, please. Please
Stop
don't blame
blaming
yourself.
yourself.
Okay? It was never your fault. Just let it go. Because I did already.
Hindi ba? Hindi mo ba pinapakawalan, Ellie? Galit ka ba rin? Malungkot ka ba rin? Sinisisi mo ba rin sarili mo? Nakikita ko yun. At alam kong yung galit na yun yung nagpapatatag sa'yo.
Gusto ko talaga na nag-grow sila dito sa series na to.
I
Like,
know where this is going.
kung dati awkward, pero
Please
ngayon,
don't talk about this.
ano, Sevi talaga is a crybaby.
I can tell that you want me to talk to my dad. But Sevia, I can't. I can't. I don't think I can. I still don't think I can.
Naiintindihan ko yun. Kaya sana maintindihan mo rin ako na hindi ko kayang pakawalan yung nangyari sa mama mo. I'm sorry, Elise. I'm sorry. Balang araw, magiging malaya rin tayo sa lahat ng to.
Okay, ito na, the following day.
You still haven't resigned yet?
Why don't you just fire me, Elise? Ngayon? Okay. Okay. Hindi mo kaya. Kasi natatakot ka na baka madamay yung board. Are you scared of my dad?
What?
Look, I'm not scared of anyone. In fact, you should be thankful that I am still nice to you. Because the moment that I find out that you were involved with all of this, I can fire you on the spot.
Excuse me, ma'am. Nandito na po si Attorney Martinez.
Okay?
Yan na si Calix!
Please gather everyone here.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Sino ka ngayon?
These are information sheets of the 7 workers who were on site at the guest villas on the day of the accident. They're not our workers. 5 of them are currently in the hospital because of the injuries they actually did to themselves. Well, allegedly.
What do you mean by they purposefully hurt themselves?
Well, they didn't actually hurt themselves. See, I've been thinking about this a long time, and to me, it looks like it was orchestrated. See, the workers were hired a few days prior to the accident, which they were just instructed to use substandard material.
Are you saying it's an inside job, attorney?
Yes!
I'm not saying anything, sir. I'm just speaking facts. I've talked to dozens of people from our construction managers to our staffing agency, even to witnesses on the site. And the paper trail leads to Mr. Guerrero and his accomplice. Son, what's the relation here? Sir Austin.
Ano ako? Bakit kasama? That's a baseless accusation, attorney.
Maybe we should be the one to sue you. I'm gonna call my lawyers now.
We have a strong evidence to support my statement, Mr. Guerrero. I would actually
Abogado yan eh. Susugod ba yan ng walang bala?
speak privately with my team and answer some of our questions. We may start with Sir Austin.
Why would I answer your fucking questions? I am not forcing you to answer my fucking questions to prove you're innocent, Sir Austin. I would just like to remind you that if you refuse to cooperate, it's just gonna make you look more, what's the word, suspicious? And yes, Mr. Guerrero, you may call your lawyer. As a matter of fact, they are encouraged to join our conversation. So go ahead. Okay. Bye. Shall we?
I don't know what to think. I don't know what to expect. If Austin is involved in this, I'll never forgive him. Our family treated them well all these years. And
Ito na. Alam niyo yung mga interaction ng mga jowa, ng mga friends ni Sebi. Nakakatawa.
so, what did he say? Is he involved?
Let's just say...
Yung tatay kasi may kagagawa nito eh.
Things within the legal team. Meanwhile, the whole investigation is still ongoing.
Okay. Thank you.
Love, huh?
Makes us do the fucking worst.
Alam niyo guys, yung biktima lang din naman dito si Austin. Kasi nga, yung tatay niya, pressure siya. Tapos gusto nung tatay niya na makuha yung company nila, Elise. So, hindi natin siya masisisi na ganyan siya kaganid sa relationship kay, kay Elise. Yun.
Bakit siya?
Kasi hindi ikaw.
He was never there. Sinaktan ka lang yan.
Kano ka naman kasigurado na it's a one-way
Just a
street?
part of loving someone unconditionally, Austin. I love him despite all of the pain that we shared in the past. You may not understand that now, but I really hope that you do someday.
Malay si Ida yung para sa'yo, Austin. Charis!
I am very sorry. I am very sorry for what I did. Sorry sa lahat, please. Sana mapatawad mo ako.
Uy, meet the family!
Hi!
Ma?
Hi, Kuya. Hi.
Pa?
Grabe ang tangkad nung
Andito na pala ang
kapatid ni
soon-to-be
Sebi.
na mag-asawa.
Elise, si Papa pala. Pa si Elise.
Hello?
Hello po, Tito.
Hello po, Ate Elise.
Ang ganda niyo pa rin po, ate.
Thank you. Ang laki mo na. Ikaw din, Steven.
Sus, kayo din po, ate. Parang tumangkad po kayo, ah.
Oh.
Elise, anak. Pakibaba yung sing-sing mo at nasisilaw ako.
Ako, nga, ganda.
Oh.
Thank you. It's so beautiful. You know, it really sounds like him.
Sure ball na airpod ko talaga, no?
Ganda ng sing-sing, no? Kasama ko si Sebi, namili kami niyan. At hindi siya napili. Nakita niya yung sing-sing na yan, sigurado siya agad. Katulad ng future ninyong dalawa, sigurado na siya. Kaya salamat, Elise. Malaking parte ka sa pagkatao ni Sebi ngayon.
Aww! Ito yung talaga yung na-imagine ko sa book na conversation, pero hindi nakatayo, Gusto ko yung nakaupo.
Magugas na kayo ng kamay, ha? Para
Oh, ito na yung 101.
Yes. I just want to say that I'm really sorry for everything that my dad...
Alam mo, hindi mo yun kasalanan. So, okay na yun. Marami ng maganda at mga masasayang nangyari pagkatapos nun. At sigurado ako na marami pang magagandang bagay na mangyayari na darating. Elise, gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa inyo ni Sean, ha? Nalungan niyo ako, binigyan niyo ako ng magaling na abogado. Maraming salamat sa inyo.
Of course.
Gusto ko lang malaman mo na hindi ko na iniindaman kung ano yung nangyari noon. Kaya sana ikaw din.
True.
Mas masarap mabuhay kapag
Nang walang agam-agam. Ganon.
Anong pinag-uusapan yung dalawa?
Sebi talaga eh.
Ang saya
Oo.
naman nandito ang dalawang pinaka-importanting babae sa buhay ko. I love you, Ma. I love you, Ellie.
Oh, biglang naging soft.
Sweet naman ang anak ko. Ay, wait lang. Okay, excuse me lang ha. May phone call lang ako, ha?
Sige, Ma.
Hello? Oh, yes. Oh,
Si Austin talaga yung panggulo sa pamilyang to.
One more thing that I have to do.
Ito yung sa father niya, feeling ko. Forgiveness is... Time heals all wounds, pero hindi agad-agad nakakapagpatawad. Kuya Roel talaga stood up as a father kay Elise ever since the book began. Pero alam nyo, ang bait-bait kasi ni nung tatay ni Elise dun sa book eh. Dito ramdam mo yung gigil, yung galit, 'di ba?
Please. You've grown so much.
Akala ko parang house arrest siya. Parang ganun yung lagay niya. Kinikilabutan ako, guys. Oh, kung nakikita niyo to.
Lost my mom 4 years ago.
Kasalanan mo eh. Ganid ka kasi.
It's because of you. You manipulative bastard. You killed Mom.
Siguro mas mahaba pa yung buhay ng mami ni Elise if ever hindi siya namatay agad. Hindi siya inatake sa puso.
You know, it ruined me. It ruined me so badly.
Please, I'm sorry.
I loved you so much. You treated me like a princess. You treated me with so much love and care. I just don't understand. How could you do that to me? How could you do that to Mom?
Please, I'm sorry. I know it's not enough. It's a valid reason for all the things I've done to you. I just want to say sorry.
Sorry? Do you even know how much damage that you have caused? I have to go to therapy. Not just physically, but mentally. No apology can ever bring back what happened. I lost everyone that I loved. I didn't just lose Mommy, but I even lost you. A father that I looked up to. A father that I believed was caring and loving. But then it turns out that you were the complete opposite.
Elise and Sevi shared battles in this story.
Mahal kita. You're my daughter. Mahal ko kayo ni mami mo. I love you, anak.
Kung mahal mo ko, bakit mo kami ginanon, di ba?
But if you love me, how could you hurt me? How could you do that to me? How?
Ang araw na tumaan na yun, na hindi ko pinagsisihan ng lahat. I regret everything I did. To you. Especially to the family of Sevi. Kung pwede na sa totoong kulungan ako at hindi dito para lang mapatunayan sa'yo na sorry. But I can't. I'm sick.
I will forgive you. But I'm not doing this just to let you back into my life again. I am doing this because I am so tired of keeping this anger inside of me. I am so tired of being angry. I just want to let go of this and of you completely. And it is the only way that I will be free.
Just the thought of your forgiveness. Whatever is the reason.
Minsan kailangan mo talagang i-let go, mag-forgive para ma-let go yung mga feelings na nakatago for the past few years.
You know what, Dad? Sometimes I still wish that you would be beside me like a normal father. That you would protect me from all of the monsters that you hired in the company. Like a dad would do.
Is there something wrong?
Well, if there is, then I can handle it. I know that my wishes won't come true anyways. And my mom raised a brave woman. I don't need your protecting anymore, Dad.
Parang gusto kong basahin
I'm
ulit yung
going
book ni Sean tsaka ni
And I will take
ni
your dear friend
Kiera.
out of the board.
Kahit sobrang sakit.
And I will not
Grabe
let
guys,
anyone
kinikilabutan ako.
betray me, just
Ayun,
like
oh.
how he did.
Kinikilabutan ako. Ang galing.
Just like how you did.
You're a strong woman. Proud of you, Edna. I'm really sorry. Andy,
Tara na.
Engineer Camero. mahal ko si Elise. Kahit dinarantado mo yung pamilya ko, hindi ko gagawin yung ginawa mo sa kanya.
Alam mo yung tamang lalaki na eh. Kasi tatay talaga eh.
Please. Please make her happy.
Kahit di mo sabihin, gagawin ni Savvy yan.
Because I'm doing good. And I'm happy and I am well. I'm feeling much better now.
Sorry na. Alam, sir.
I love how Kuya Rowell stayed loyal to Elise, no? Mabait naman kasi sila as an employer. Sadyang, may mga bagay lang talaga na hindi kailangan mangyari. Uy, nagkaroon pa ng... Alam niyo yung iyak ni Sir Dominic, ramdam mo yung regret sa mga ginawa niya. Ramdam mong nagsisisi talaga siya. Pero hindi ko matandaan kung nalaman niya yung pagkamatay ni Sean eh. Or nauna siyang mamatay kay Sean.
Ate Linda, pakitawag po si Kuya Rowell.
Oh, ito na yung turnover ng bahay.
Ma'am, tawag niyo pa ako.
I wanted to tell you something. Matagal ko na to pinag-iisipan.
Ano po yun, ma'am?
Well, I want to give you the mansion and the car left over by my dad. They were all transferred to my name na.
Bakit, ma'am? Hindi na ba kayo uuwi?
No, not anymore. I'm just here to get my things. Whatever is left over, you can have it. And Kuya Sean already got his. But if you don't want the house, I can sell it.
Bait ni Elise.
Kuya. Thank you for your service, Kuya. You're the best.
Deserve naman niya.
Ma'am, karangalan ko po na magserbisyo po sa inyo. Sa inyo.
Cute ni Savvy.
Tungkol po sa bahay, ma'am. Pwede bang dalhin ko dito at dito na rin tumira yung pamilya ko?
Huh? Pamilya? Akala ko po wala kang asawa.
Asawa, wala po, ma'am. Magulang at mga kapatid, meron. Nasa probinsya lang nga po sila.
Well, of course, Kuya. It would be really nice to have another family make new happy memories in this house.
Roel, kailangan magtulong sa renovation. Tawagan mo lang ako. Libre yun. Libre? Salamat, engineer. Naalala ko tuloy nung nasa college pa kayo. Buti hindi ko ba yung naabutan nung tumakas kayo? Mabuti nga po yan.
But you are a father to me by how much you've taken care of me.
Aww.
And tao na nag-aalaga sa mga anak. And I'm so thankful to you, Kuya.
Papaiyakin na din tayo. Episode last na.
Salamat din po, ma'am. Sir, pasensya na kayo, ma'am. Pangit talaga ako umiyak. Thank you, ma'am.
Salamat sa lahat, Kuya Ruel. Ayaw mo na talaga sa bahay na to?
This place holds too many memories. I want to start a new life. And besides, wala nang titira rito. And we'll have our new house soon, right?
Oo naman. Tutuparin ko yung dream house natin. Tsaka syempre, yung... Ako sana. Yung kuya mo pala, paano yan?
Oh, he never liked this place. He always treated it as hell. This is a decision that's on me now.
Okay. Kung ano man yung desisyon mo, sasuportahan kita.
Diyan siya kinilig. Pero diyan siya nasaktan.
Wow!
Ano?
Ano mo to, babe? Ang bata pa natin dito. Nene at Totoy pa tayo dito, oh.
Oh, na-miss ko yung set visit.
Seryoso ba? Ano yung itsura mo dati?
What? Do you have a problem?
Wala. Ang ganda mo nga dito, eh.
You only noticed just now?
Ha? Hindi. Dati pa. Kaya pala...
Ang asar talaga to si
Lagi
Selby.
tumitingin sa atin yung mga tao, no? Pag magkasama tayo. Kasi iniisip nila, out of my league tayo.
Or maybe they were asking kung paano ka naka-jackpot sa akin.
Wow! Seryoso ka ba, babe? Wala akong lagnat? Ha? Joke. Seryoso naman.
Parang may wawa joke.
Jackpot ako sa'yo. Or ikaw? Hindi, ako talaga.
But kidding aside, can you believe how far we've come?
Oo nga, no?
Ayun ang mga bagay ayaw kong kalimutan. But this mansion, kailangan nang iwan at kalimutan. I really want a new life with you, Seven.
Ako rin, Ellie. Gusto ko yung buhay.
Nakakainis yung background song kasi Wait. Replay. Ayun. Barang sounds kasi ngayon tunog. But... Grabe. Nakakainis. Uy, ang dami, guys. Ang dami, ang dami. And that's the end of my reaction video for episode 18. And I'm so excited for episode 19. We're down to our last, pero may kinukook sila for something big. Siguro mga special chapters. And grabe guys, hanggang ngayon hindi ako makapaniwala na yung sinubaybayan natin from August hanggang ngayong December is matatapos na. And guys, ilang months? August, September, October, November, December. 5 months! 5 months natin to. Parang sepangs na ako. And grabe, ang galing mo, Derek, na parang hindi namin may na-imagine na isa sa buhay to. As in, kung ano yung sa book, ito yung na-imagine namin. Ang galing mo, Derek, Top, and the rest of the Sitaw cast and staffs. Grabe, sobrang worth it yung pag-trend, yung pag-vlog ko. Pag-trend ako masyadong kasama doon kasi hindi naman ako nagpapa-TP. Pero ayun nga, sobrang idol. Salamat. And can't wait for the next book. But for now, my favorite book is finally ending. And grabe guys, I'm a bit emotional. Di halata, pero yun, salamat sa mga nanonood ng vlogs ko from day 1 to hanggang next videos ko. And supportahan nyo lahat ng vlogs ko. Ayun lang guys, thank you for watching and see you on my next vlog. Bye!